Embarking on a journey is akin to stepping onto a canvas, where every stroke of planning adds depth and color to your travel narrative. In this guide, we delve into the intricate art of budget planning, weaving in threads of intentional packing, mindful exploration, and unique cultural encounters. Join us as we sketch out a roadmap that not only safeguards your finances, but also transforms your journey into a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. From minimalist packing to engaging with local communities, each piece of advice is a brushstroke, contributing to the masterpiece of your travel adventure. Before proceeding to the video detail, make sure you have subscribed to my channel Budget Ventures. More videos like this will be coming soon here. 1. Budget planning. Creating a meticulous budget is essential for a financially sustainable journey. Consider all aspects of your trip, including accommodation, meals, transportation, and activities. Prioritize spending on necessities and allocate funds wisely to ensure your financial resources last throughout your travels. Regularly track your expenses and make adjustments to stay within your budget, allowing for a more stress-free and extended travel experience. Additionally, seek out budget-friendly options for activities and attractions, taking advantage of discounts, free events, or local promotions to maximize your experiences without straining your budget. 2. Minimalist packing. Adopting a minimalist packing approach involves careful consideration of the items you bring. Focus on essentials to reduce both the weight of your luggage and the potential for excess baggage fees. Choose versatile clothing and pack items with multiple functions to optimize space and adaptability. By embracing a minimalist mindset, you not only simplify your travel logistics, but also cultivate a more intentional and streamlined experience. Consider investing in quality, multi-purpose travel gear to enhance your packing efficiency and ensure you have everything you need for a variety of situations without unnecessary bulk. 3. Local transportation options. Opting for local transportation methods, such as buses, trams, or metro systems, provides a cost-effective way to explore your destination. Walking and cycling are sustainable alternatives that allow for a more intimate exploration of the surroundings, while minimizing transportation expenses. Prioritize public transit options, which often offer budget-friendly passes for extended stays. Embracing local transportation not only saves money, but also immerses you in the community and enhances your cultural experience. Take the time to research and understand the local transportation networks to navigate efficiently and economically. 4. Free city tours. Embracing free walking tours offered by locals or tour organizations is an excellent way to delve into a destination's history, culture, and hidden gems without incurring hefty expenses. These tours provide valuable insights and recommendations, enabling you to maximize your time and appreciate the destination from a local perspective. By participating in these tours, you not only gain knowledge but also have the chance to connect with fellow travelers, fostering a sense of community and shared exploration. Consider joining multiple tours to explore different aspects of the city and diversify your cultural experiences. 5. Free accommodation. Exploring alternative accommodation options, such as couch surfing, house sitting, or hostels, offers more than just cost savings. It provides unique opportunities to connect with locals, fostering cultural exchange and a deeper understanding of the destination. By embracing these alternatives, you not only reduce or eliminate accommodation costs, but also enrich your travel experience with authentic interactions and insights into local life. Research and plan ahead to secure reliable and safe accommodation options that align with your preferences and budgetary considerations. 6. Community workshops and classes. Actively participating in community-driven workshops or language exchange programs presents a dual opportunity for skill enhancement and cultural immersion. Engaging with locals in these educational settings facilitates meaningful connections and deepens your understanding of the destination, Beyond the budgetary benefits, involvement in workshops and classes adds a layer of enrichment to your journey, allowing you to learn, share, and contribute to the community you're temporarily a part of. Seek out opportunities that align with your interests and skills to make the most of this cultural exchange. 7. Farmers markets and grocery stores. Opting for local markets and grocery stores over dining out for every meal not only significantly reduces your food expenses, but also allows for a more varied and healthy diet. Shopping for fresh produce and local ingredients provides an authentic culinary experience. Additionally, preparing your own meals fosters a sense of self-sufficiency and adaptability, contributing to a more immersive and fulfilling travel adventure. Explore the local food scene by trying regional ingredients and cooking styles, enhancing your gastronomic journey while staying within your budget. 8. Free cultural events. Staying informed about free cultural events, festivals, or exhibitions occurring during your visit enhances your travel experience without straining your budget. These events not only offer entertainment but also provide opportunities for cultural enrichment and local engagement. By participating in these gatherings, you gain a deeper understanding of the destination's identity and connect with the community on a more profound level, creating lasting memories and a richer travel experience. Plan your itinerary around these events to maximize your cultural immersion without compromising your budget constraints. 9. Internet-based work. Tapping into online freelance opportunities aligns with the modern digital nomad lifestyle, allowing you to sustain your travels while maintaining flexibility. By leveraging your skills for remote work, you not only generate income but also gain the freedom to shape your journey according to your schedule. This approach transforms your travel experience into a dynamic and self-sustaining adventure, blending work and exploration seamlessly. Explore online platforms that match your skills with available opportunities, ensuring a steady income stream to support your travel aspirations. 10. Religious institutions. Exploring options for free or low-cost accommodation provided by religious institutions can add a unique and culturally immersive dimension to your travels. Many churches or temples offer shelter for travelers, fostering an environment of hospitality and shared experiences. Staying in such establishments not only saves on accommodation costs, but also allows you to engage with local traditions, rituals, and communities, creating a more profound and authentic travel encounter. Prioritize respectful engagement and contribute to the upkeep of these spaces to show appreciation for the generosity extended to travelers. 11. Water refill stations. Carrying a reusable water bottle and utilizing public water refill stations is not just a cost-saving measure, but also an environmentally responsible choice. By reducing the need for single-use plastic bottles, you contribute to sustainability and minimize your ecological footprint. This practice aligns with a mindful and eco-conscious approach to travel, promoting responsible tourism. Research the locations of water refill stations in advance and incorporate this eco-friendly practice into your daily routine to stay hydrated while minimizing your environmental impact. 12. Wilderness camping. Engaging in wilderness camping, where permitted, provides an opportunity for immersive nature experiences while eliminating accommodation costs. Adhering to leave no trace principles is crucial, ensuring that your presence has minimal impact on the environment. This form of camping allows you to reconnect with nature, offering solitude and a deeper appreciation for the landscapes you traverse. Plan your camping trips responsibly, following local regulations and guidelines, and prioritize locations that offer a balance between natural beauty and environmental conservation.
Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, if you're eager to turn your wanderlust into reality, make sure to explore the goldmine of resources waiting for you in the video description below. I've curated a list of essential links, including budget-friendly airline options, trusted booking sites, a fantastic YouTube course to kickstart your own channel, and even recommendations for reliable travel insurance. Don't miss out on these valuable tools that can elevate your travel game. Simply scroll down and click those links to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Happy travels.
13. Hospitality networks. Joining hospitality networks like BeWelcome or Trust Routes facilitates connections with locals who willingly host travelers. Beyond the financial savings, these encounters often lead to cultural exchange, local insights, and lasting friendships. By participating in these networks, you become part of a global community that values shared experiences and mutual support in the realm of travel. Prioritize building meaningful connections with your hosts, expressing gratitude for their hospitality, and reciprocating whenever possible to foster a spirit of camaraderie within the travel community. 14. Recycling and dumpster diving. While not universally applicable, in certain locations, people discover usable items through recycling bins or engage in dumpster diving for discarded goods. It's essential to exercise discretion and comply with local regulations. This resourceful approach to finding items not only reduces waste but can also be an interesting way to repurpose and reuse. Practice responsible waste management by adhering to local guidelines and consider contributing to local recycling initiatives to promote sustainable travel practices within the communities you visit. 15. Community outreach and volunteering. Engaging in community service or volunteering activities not only aids local causes, but can also provide essential amenities such as meals or accommodation. This approach transforms your travel experience into a meaningful contribution to the communities you visit. Researching and connecting with local NGOs or community centers opens avenues for collaboration, creating a more profound sense of purpose during your journey. Prioritize projects aligned with your values and skills, ensuring a positive impact on the communities you engage with, and actively seek opportunities for cultural exchange and understanding. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way, you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Thanks again for your support.